All right, we got both drivers in and ready. We begin in 3, 2, 1, fight. Totally coming in quickly here as Sin Absolver gets spun up to speed. That nice little FingerTech kit. Looks like he's already got a bit of a wobbly wheel on the left side as Totally Not's trying to get around. Fairly fast little thing, but still squirrely to control. Bouncing off the red hazard there. Looks like that might have stalled something. But that's okay. We'll keep going. Don't worry about it. And heading over towards the red corner here. Totally getting around the side of Sin Absolver here into the front. Tries for a quick push out at the red side. Nearly there, but Totally's the one on the outside. He's got one wheel over. Managed to pull back just in time. Thank goodness. Can't get the right now. Well, we'll just have to go without the hazards for the moment, unfortunately. But yeah, Totally over on the side there, both of them coming into the middle at the moment. And, oh, something's not going all of a sudden on Sin Absolver. Oh, I think he's trying to get his weapon going, but unfortunately it's not working. Oh yeah, I hear that grinding. That weapon is not going to work, whatever the heck happened there. So now he's just down to a pushing match there. And minute 52 still on the clock, so plenty of time. Totally holding up against the wall. Very close to that red push out. Just a little bit of a wiggle, and one of them is likely going to go out here. Ends up hung up on top of Totally, and in the process, the weapon spun back up. So once again, Sin Absolver got that weapon going. Still very capable, dangerous little thing. Totally not giving him any moment to try and line up an attack here. Trying to get around to the backside. Once again, does bring him over towards that blue corner area. If only the blue pushout were open for him, but trying to get around the side once again. Back from behind and perfectly right into the hazard. A shame that those aren't working for the moment, but managed to pin Sin Absolver up against the wall, taking over across towards the red hazard corner. Minute 10 to go. And Sin Absolver, unfortunately, not able to use the weapon yet at all. It looks like whatever the heck's on the front there of Totally managed to get underneath the front end of Sin every time. And good little pin in the corner there, releasing, giving an opportunity to come back at it again. Definitely a bit of a sumo match here, but unfortunately for Sin, very difficult to outmaneuver this squirrely little bot. This Totally Not a FingerTech kit. Running around here, running into the FingerTech kit, and either bouncing off or managed to get under at times, especially coming from the sides. Bit of a pushing match there as they both try to make their way towards that red push-out area. 28 seconds still to go. And Sin trying to line up something, twisting to point at his opponent, but Totally just so fast and so nimble, able to get around the sides once again to the side of Sin over by the blue corner there, trying to pin him in the corner. 15 seconds coming down to the wire here. It's possible to get a push out or a disable, but there's only 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of the match. Weapons off. Congratulations to both drivers here. And we've got Dave and Casey. And we will see where this goes with the judge's decision. And the win goes to Totally Not a FingerTech kit. Congratulations, Dave.